Hello children, welcome to the digital class. In your last session, you learnt about what is a fraction, addition of fractions and subtraction of fractions. In this session, you are going to learn a new thing. Before going to that, look at the screen. Here you have a boy and a girl. Girl is 𝗧𝗧, boy is Nikhil. Children, can you count the number of balloons with 𝗧𝗧? 1, 2. Yes, she is having 2 balloons. So what she is saying? I have 2 balloons. Now can you count the number of balloons with Nikhil? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many balloons is Nikhil having? 6. What Nikhil is saying? I have 3 times your balloons. Now 𝗧𝗧 got a doubt. What is 3 times? Now let us know what is 3 times her balloons. Children, here I am taking 3 groups. In each one I have 2 objects. So 3 times 2 means we have to add 2 3 times, means 2 plus 2 plus 2. If I take 4 times 2, we have to add 2 for 4 times. If I take 5 times 2, I have to add 2 for 5 times. Now here, as it is 3 times 2, what I have to do? 2 plus 2 plus 2. What is 2 plus 2 plus 2? Yes, it is 6. We can also write 6 as 3 into 2. So 3 times 2 can be taken as 3 times 2. So can we call it as a multiplication? Yes. So multiplication is nothing but repetitive addition. Now let us find what is 4 times 3. Children, what you have to do here? I am taking a group considering 3 objects. Total how many groups I have taken? 4 groups. In each group there are 3 objects. So what is 4 times 3? We have to add 3 for 4 times, means 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. It is equal to 12. Can we write 12 as 4 into 3? Yes. So 4 times 3 can be taken as 4 into 3. Let us know the learning objectives of this session. You will be able to multiply a fraction with a whole number, multiply a fraction with a fraction, divide a whole number by a fraction, divide a fraction by a whole number, divide a fraction by another fraction. Let us go for the first one, that is multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. Children, what you are observing on the screen? Yes, there are 2 rectangles which are made into 4 parts, in which one is colored with orange. So can we call this as 1 by 4? Yes, this one as 1 by 4. How many 1 by 4s I have taken here? 2. So can we call this as 2 times 1 by 4? Yes. Now what I am doing here? I am taking the first one and filling in another rectangle, second one and filling in another rectangle. Can you name this fraction? Yes, what it is? 2 by 4. So how we got this 2 by 4? By adding 2 1 by 4s. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 1 plus 1 by 4. Children, in your last session you learnt about additions and subtraction of fractions. So what you have to do? When you have same denominators, you have to add the numerators. So what is the numerator here? 1, here 1. So what you have to get here? 1 plus 1 by what is the denominator? 4. So what I am getting here? 2 by 4. So when you add 2 1 by 4s, I am getting 2 by 4. So 2 by 4 is twice or 2 times 1 by 4. Children, observe the screen. It can be taken as 2 by 4. It can be taken as 3 by 4. Now what I am doing here? I have written 2 by 4, which is equal to 2 into 1 by 4. Children, observe here. This is 2 by 4, which can be written as 2 into 1 by 4. So it can be taken as 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So when you add 1 by 4 2 times, we can write it as 2 into 1 by 4. In the same way, what we can write for 3 by 4? Yes, we can write 3 into 1 by 4. Okay children, how many times we have to add here? We have to add for 3 times. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So when we have this type of condition, that is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, we are adding this fraction repeatedly. How many times? 3 times. So we can take it as 3 by 4 or 3 into 1 by 4. Now children, observe how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let us find half of 6. Okay children, what you are observing now? We have only 3 boxes. So out of 6, what is the half of it? 3. So how can we get this? 1 by 2 into 6. Children, here we have 1 by 2 of 6. But in next step, I am writing it as 1 by 2 into 6. In mathematics, when we have this kind of conditions, this of can be taken as multiplication. So 1 by 2 of 6 can be taken as 1 by 2 into 6. Children, can we cancel any numbers here? Yes, 2 1s are 2 3s are. Children, you already know that you can cancel a number which is in denominator with a number which is in numerator place. So 2 1s are 2 3s are. So I am getting here 1 into 3 by 1, which is equal to 3 by 1, which is equal to 3. So 3 by 1, when you have denominator 1, you can take it out and you can write only 3. So 3 by 1 can be taken as 3. So what is half of 6? It is 3. Let us find the following. 1 by 4 of 12. Children, what you have to do now? It is 1 by 4 of 12. So we have to write it as 1 by 4 into 12. Can we cancel any terms here? Yes, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So what I am getting here? 1 into 3 by 1, which is equal to 3 by 1, which is equal to 3. So what is 1 by 4 of 12? It is 3. So what does it mean here? When you take 12 objects, okay, when you take 1/4 of it, you will get 3. So 1 by 4 of 12 is 3. Now let us go for the second one. 3 by 5 into 10. Okay children, can we cancel the terms here? 5 1s are 5 2s are. So we can write it as 3 into 2 by 1, which is equal to 6 by 1, which is equal to 6. Like this, you can solve some problems from your textbook. Okay children, what is the question here? Observe. Color 1/3 of the circles with yellow. Yes, what you have to do now? Here there is a box in which we have circles. Out of the circles, we have to color only 1/3 with yellow color. How to do this? Before going to this problem, we should know the number of circles. Instead of counting like this, what you can do? There are 3 rows. In each row, we have 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Either you can take 3 into 5 or you can take 5 into 3. So what is 5 into 3? 15. So 1/3 of the circles equal to 1 by 3 into 15. Here why have taken 15? Because the total number of circles in the box is 15. Now can we cancel the terms here? Yes, 3 1s are 3 5s are. So we will get 5 by 1, which is equal to 5. 1 into 5 is 5 by 1. 5 by 1 is nothing but 5. So how many circles we have to color now? We have to color 5 circles. Yes. Understood children here? Total we have 15 circles. In that we have to color 1/3 of it with yellow. So we colored 5 circles. Okay children, now try yourself and solve some problems. Find the following. 1 by 5 into 20. Second one, 3 by 7 into 35. 5 by 6 of 24. So here I have given 3 problems. These 3 problems you have to solve. What is the first one? 1 by 5 into 20. Second one, 3 by 7 into 35. Third one, 5 by 6 of 24. So what is of? You have to take into. Okay, now let us go for the next one, that is multiplication of a fraction with a fraction. Okay children, what you are observing here? We have to find 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. 1 by 3 is a fraction, 1 by 2 is also a fraction. What I am doing here? I have taken a square, I divided into 2 parts and I shaded one part. Can I call this as 1 by 2? Yes, we have to call it as 1 by 2. Now I have to find 1 by 3 of 1 by 2. So how to do this children? I am taking square again, I made into 2 parts, shaded one part, so I can call it as 1 by 2. Now in this one what I have to do? I have to take 1/3, means I have to make it 3 parts. Okay, now I made into 3 parts, 1, 2, 3 parts. Now what I have to do? In that I have to select 1. So what I am doing now? I am shading one part out of the 3. So what I am getting children here? Total 6 parts are made. In that I colored with 1. So 1/3 of 1 by 2. 1/3 of 1 by 2 is only one part out of 6 parts. So we can call it as 1 by 6. So observe this one clearly. First I have taken and made into 2 parts. I shaded one part. Now again I made into 3 parts. Why I made into 3 parts here? As it is 1 by 3rd, I am making 3 parts. This is first one, this is second one, this is third one. In that I am selecting only one because it is 1 by 3. Suppose if you have 2 by 3 here, what I have to do? I have to shade 2 parts. As it is 1 by 3, I am shading only one part. Now here you can observe cross lines, right? Out of 6 we have only in one box, so we can call it as 1 by 6. So how can we do this mathematically? Right, 1 by 3 of 1 by 2. So of can be taken as multiplication. So 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. Children, here you can observe one thing. What I have done? The first numerator is 1. Here the numerator is 1. So when you have to multiply 2 fractions, then we can do like this. What is the procedure? We have to find the product of numerators divided by product of denominators. So 1 into 1 by 3 into 2. So what is 1 into 1? 1. What is 3 into 2? 6. Children, are we getting the same answer here? Yes. So what is 1 by 3 of 1 by 2? It is 1 by 6. So product of 2 fractions is equal to product of 2 numerators by product of 2 denominators. Children, remember this. So what you have to do when you get 2 fractions and when you have to multiply, you should not take any LCM. Direct we have to take product of 2 numerators by product of 2 denominators. Now let us find the following. First one, 5 by 6 into 7 by 11. Okay children, now what you have to do? 5 is the numerator, 7 is the numerator. So I can write it as 5 into 7 by, what is the first denominator here? 6. Here denominator is 11. So 6 into 11. Children, can we cancel any terms here? No. 5, 6, 7, 11. We cannot cancel any terms. So what you can write? You can multiply them. What is 7 5s are? 35. What is 6 into 11? 66. So this is the simplified form of this one. Now let us go for the second one. Okay children, what I am doing here now? I am multiplying 3 fractions. Here I am multiplying 2 fractions. Here I am multiplying 3 fractions. So what I have to do? The same procedure. Product of numerators divided by product of denominators. So 3 into 1 into 8 by 4 into 3 into 11. Children, can we cancel any terms here? Yes. 4 1s are, 4 2s are, 3 1s are, 3 1s are. Can we cancel any more terms? No. So what is left over? 1 into 1 into 2, which is equal to 2. 1 into 1 into 11, which is equal to 11. So what is the answer here? 2 by 11. So this is the simplified form. Children, like this you can multiply any number of fractions if you know the concept here. What is the concept? When you want to multiply two fractions or more than two fractions, just we have to find the product of numerators divided by product of denominators. Now let us go for the third problem here. 2 by 3 into 5 1 by 5. Children, this is a different problem. Why? Because it is a mixed fraction. Whenever we get a mixed fraction, what you have to do? You have to convert into improper fraction. How to convert it? You already know. You have to multiply this. 5 5s are 25 plus 1, 26 by 5. So 5 1 by 5 can be taken as 26 by 5, which is equal to 52 by 15. Okay, here we cannot cancel any terms, so we are getting 52 by 15. Children, the result is an improper fraction, so we have to convert it into mixed fraction. How to do this? We have to divide 52 with 15. 15 3s are 45. When 45 is subtracted from 52, we will get 7. Okay children, how to write this now? First you have to take the quotient, that is 3. Then you have to take the remainder, that is 7, divided with the divisor. So you will get 7 by 15. So what I am getting here? 52 by 15 can be taken as 3 7 by 15. This is the mixed fraction. It is the improper fraction. So when you get an improper fraction, you have to convert it into mixed fraction. To convert into mixed fraction, this is the procedure that you have to follow. Okay children, now observe the question which is shown on the screen. Raju walks 1 by 2 meters, or we can call 1.5 meter in 1 second. How much distance will he walk in 15 minutes? To explain this, what I have done, I have taken a boy named as Raju. This is the road on which he must walk. So this is the starting point. In 1 second he moved up to here, and what is the distance covered? 1 by 2 meter. Children, try to understand this. In 1 second he is able to walk 1 by 2 meter. In 15 minutes, how much distance he can walk? Let us know this. Distance travelled in 1 second is equal to 1 by 2 meter. As it is mixed fraction, we have to convert into improper fraction. 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2, 3 by 2 meter. Now as the time is given in minutes, what you have to do children? We have to convert it into seconds. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So 15 minutes equal to 15 into 60 seconds. So when you multiply 15 with 60, what you will get? You will get 900. So 15 minutes can be taken as 900 seconds. So distance travelled in 15 minutes equal to 900. This is the time. 3 by 2 is the distance travelled in 1 second. So 900 into 3 by 2. Children, here you can cancel like this. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. 1 will be left over, 0, 2 5s are 10, and 1 more 0, you will get 450. So 450 into 3 meters, which is equal to 1350 meters. Now children, tell me how much distance Raju is walking in 15 minutes? He is walking 1350 meters. Children, you try yourself and find the following. 2 by 7 into 1 by 3, 2 1 by 3 into 3 1 by 5. First one 2 by 7 into 1 by 3. Second one 2 1 by 3 into 3 1 by 5. Here we have mixed fractions. Convert them into improper. Then you simplify. One more question. A truck runs 8 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. So what is given here? A truck runs 8 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. So what you have to find? How much distance will it cover using 10 2 by 3 liters of petrol? Children, try to do this problem. Now let us go for the next one, which is division of whole number by a fraction. Let us find 4 divided by 1 by 2. Children, how to do this? I am taking 4 squares here. I am making them halves. Now can you find the number of halves in these 4 squares? Let us count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, how many halves are there in 4? We have 8. So what we can call? There are 8 halves in 4. So 4 divided by 1 by 2 can be taken as 8. So when 4 is divided by 1 by 2, what I am getting here? I am getting 8. Now let us understand this with simplification. Okay children, so what I have done here, 4 divided by 1 by 2 is written as 4 into. Children, you try to understand here, this is the division, but here it is a multiplication, but there is change in numbers. What is the change in number? Observe, here it is 1 by 2, here it is 2 by 1. So division of a whole number by a fraction can be taken as multiplication with its reciprocal. Multiplication with its reciprocal. So 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by 1. So when you want to change this, means when you want to use multiplication instead of division, what you have to do? You have to take the reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal of 1 by 2? It is 2 by 1. So what is 4 into 2 by 1? You will get 8 by 1, which is equal to 8. 2 by 1 is the fraction obtained by interchanging the numerator and denominator of 1 by 2. Okay children, try to understand this sentence. Numerator is 1, denominator is 2. What I have done? I have interchanged. Interchanged what? Numerator and denominator. So 1 by 2 is written as 2 by 1. So we can call 2 by 1 as reciprocal of which one? 1 by 2. So 2 by 1 is the reciprocal of 1 by 2. Children, let us find the reciprocal of the following. First one 5 by 8, second one 3 by 4. Children, can you tell me the reciprocal of 5 by 8 now? What is the numerator? 5. What is the denominator? 8. So to write the reciprocal, what you have to do? You have to interchange numerator and denominator. So what you will get? You will get 8 by 5. Children, you can understand here, this is the numerator, this is the denominator. To write its reciprocal, what we have done? We have changed them. Means this became numerator and this became denominator. Now children, can you find the reciprocal of 3 by 4? Yes, it is 4 by 3. Okay, let us find the following. 18 divided by 3 by 4. Children, just now I said, when you want to change this, division by a fraction can be taken as multiplication with its reciprocal. Division by a fraction can be taken as multiplication with its reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal for 3 by 4? Yes, it is 4 by 3. Now children, can you cancel the terms here? Yes, 3 𝗬𝗓, 3 𝗧𝗧. So what is 6 into 4? 24 by 1, which can be taken as 24. Now 3 divided by 2 1 by 3. Here also what you have to do? 3 divided by, first what I have done here, this is the mixed fraction, I converted into improper fraction. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 by 3. Now I want to change this, so what I can write here? 3 into 3 by 7. Why here 3 by 7? Because instead of division I have taken multiplication. So we have to take the reciprocal of 7 by 3. What is the reciprocal of 7 by 3? It is 3 by 7. So what is 3 into 3 by 7? It is 9 by 7. So we can do any number of problems like this. So children, try to solve some more problems from your textbook. Now let us go for the next one, which is division of a fraction by a whole number. Let us find 3 by 4 divided by 3. Children, here I have taken a square and I shaded 3 parts. So can I call it as 3 by 4? Yes, because out of 4 parts I colored 3 parts, so I can call it as 3 by 4. Now what I have to do? I have to divide this with 3. Children, let us assume that this is a cake or this is a chocolate, okay, which is made into 4 parts, in which one is already completed. You are remaining with 3 parts. Suppose that 3 parts are divided among 3 people, then what you will get? See, first part, second part, third part. So 3 by 4 is divided by 3, and can we call it as 1 by 4? Yes, this one 1 by 4, this one 1 by 4. So when 3 by 4 is divided by 3, so what you will get? 1 by 4, means each will get 1 by 4. So what you can write here? 3 by 4 divided by 3 equal to 1 by 4. Let us find the following. 2 by 5 divided by 3. Okay children, what I am doing here, first fraction as it is, this is the division by 3, so multiplication with its reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal of 3? It is 1 by 3. So again product of numerators by product of denominators. So 2 into 1 by 5 into 3, which is equal to 2 by 15. So what is 2 by 5 divided by 3 is equal to 2 by 15. Let us go for the second problem. 7 by 8 divided by 5, which will be equal to 7 by 8 into 1 by 5. Here also the same, division by 5 can be taken as multiplication with its reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal of 5? It is 1 by 5. Again the same, product of numerators by product of denominators, as we cannot cancel any terms here, 7 into 1 by 8 into 5. So what I am getting here, 7 by 40. Okay, now let us go for the last one, that is division of a fraction by another fraction. Children, first we have to know some rules here. Okay, now observe the screen. Here I have given 3. First one, a divided by b by c can be written as a into c by b. This is the fraction and it is its reciprocal. So division by b by c can be taken as multiplication with its reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal? C by b. So a divided by b by c can be taken as a into c by b. Next, a by b divided by c divided by c. So can be taken as into 1 by c. Why 1 by c? Again the same, you have to take the reciprocal. So a by b divided by c is equal to a by b into 1 by c. So division by c can be taken as multiplication with 1 by c. And the last one, a by b divided by c by d. Here divided by c by d. So multiplication with its reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal here? For c by d, it is d by c. So a by b divided by c by d can be taken as a by b into d by c. Children, you must know this to find division by a fraction, with a fraction or any other number. Now let us find the following here. 4 by 9 divided by 4 by 5. What you have to write? 4 by 9 into 5 by 4. Children, you already know that division by 4 by 5 is equal to multiplication with its reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal of 4 by 5? It is 5 by 4. Here can you cancel any terms? Yes, 4 ones are 4 ones are. Now product of numerators by product of denominators. So 1 into 5 by 9 into 1. So you will get 5 by 9. Second one, 10 by 19 divided by 5 by 9. Children, what you have to do here? 10 by 19 you have to write as it is. This is divided by 5 by 9, divided by 5 by 9. So what you have to do? Multiplied with its reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal here? 9 by 5. So can we cancel any terms here? Yes, 5 ones are 5 twos are. 2 into 9 by 19 into 1, which is equal to 18 by 19. Okay children, try yourself and find the following. 8 divided by 1 by 4, 9 by 11 divided by 3, 3 by 7 divided by 9 by 4, 8 by 9 divided by 4 by 9. Once again, 8 divided by 1 by 4, 9 by 11 divided by 3, 3 by 7 divided by 9 by 4, 8 by 9 divided by 4 by 9. Okay children, for better understanding of the concepts, solve the worksheets. Please visit the official website of SCRT for worksheet. In this session, you learnt about multiplication and division of fractions. In last session, you learnt about addition and subtraction.